I went into foster care in Carmarthenshire at a young age, and it's safe to say my journey has been a bit of a roller coaster. People think young people in foster care are different or bad people. Many of us go into the system due to circumstances way out of our control. Despite this, many of us have the same goals as everyone else. We want nice friends, good grades, a sense of belonging. In short, a happy life. I wasn't aware that some private businesses make profit from care. That makes me feel like vulnerable children aren't the priority. The money is. I recently graduated from university. The local authority helped me with this process, and now I am living a happy and safe life, just like my younger self dreamed about. My wish is for every young care experienced person to live the life they deserve, not to be held back by circumstances that aren't their fault.